The 2026 Toyota Tacoma is built for those who see every road as a starting point and every trail as an invitation. Tough, capable, and adventure-ready. Tacoma offers a versatile lineup designed to meet the moment. Choose between double cab or extra cab, long bed or short. Across 8 distinct grades, tailored to both street and off-road performance. For daily driving and urban cruising, SR, SR5, TRD Sport, and the Premium Limited offer comfort and style. For those chasing dirt, rocks, and remote destinations, TRD PreRunner, TRD Off-Road, Trail Hunter, and TRD Pro bring rugged features and trail-proven engineering. Toyota Tacoma received the 2026 Best Buy Award from Kelley Blue Book's KBB.com. Recognized for its value and built for exploration, Tacoma stands ready for wherever the next journey begins. Tacoma brings the power, control, and confidence to go where the road ends and beyond. Under the hood, the I-Force turbocharged engine delivers up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. For added performance, the available I-Force Max hybrid system produces up to 326 net combined horsepower and an impressive 465 pound-feet of torque. An available multi-link coil spring rear suspension is designed to help enhance on-road comfort and off-road control, while the available 6-speed intelligent manual transmission gives enthusiasts a more hands-on driving experience. When it's time to tow, Tacoma is up for the task, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 6,500 pounds. The TRD PreRunner features standard 2-wheel drive with an automatic limited slip differential, while the TRD Off-Road, Trail Hunter, and TRD Pro come with part-time 4-wheel drive for confident traction on dirt, mud, and snow. Available systems like the stabilizer disconnect mechanism, multi-terrain select, and an electronically controlled locking rear differential are designed to help give drivers precise control in challenging conditions. Trail Hunter and TRD Pro models feature a lifted suspension, 1 inch in the front and 0.5 inches in the rear, paired with Old Man Emu or Fox shocks. While TRD Off-Road includes standard Bilstein shocks, designed to help absorb bumps and keep the driver steady on uneven terrain. For added on-road refinement, the Limited grade includes adaptive variable suspension, and on the limited I-Force Max, full-time 4-wheel drive with a locking center differential, providing a balance of comfort and capability for city streets or long highway drives. Built for the trail and the city, Tacoma combines a fully boxed frame with an aluminum reinforced composite bed, ready for gear, grit, and everything in between. A standard deck rail system provides tie-down flexibility, while available features like a power tailgate, retractable bed step, power moonroof, and a power sliding rear window adds convenience. Trail Hunter and TRD Pro models feature a heritage-inspired Toyota grille with an integrated light bar, giving them a distinctive look and help enhance visibility in low-light conditions. An available AC inverter delivers up to 2,400 watts of 120-volt AC power, designed to supply adventurers the capability to run camp setups, charge gear, or power tools right from the bed. Standard Rigid Industries LED fog lights and all-terrain tires on Trail Hunter and TRD Pro help tackle challenging terrain with confidence. Trail Hunter comes equipped with ARB steel rear bumpers and red recovery hooks. ARB modular bed utility bars, a high-mount air intake, frame-mounted rock rails, and 18-inch bronze-finished alloy wheels. TRD Pro adds a TRD Pro stamped tailgate, aluminum skid plate, TRD black performance exhaust, and 18-inch black painted alloy wheels, combining rugged durability with style. On limited models, standard power running boards and a chrome-finished exhaust tip add a touch of refinement, while TRD Sport and Limited feature 18-inch alloy wheels for a confident, composed stance. Inside, Tacoma balances rugged utility with thoughtful details. Extra cab models feature a fold-flat front passenger seat with a lockable rear storage panel, integrated pegboard, and a lockable deep storage compartment for gear or tools. Across the lineup, available features include heated and ventilated power front seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone automatic climate control, and Qi-compatible wireless charging. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is available, while the limited grade adds a standard head-up display for easy, at-a-glance driving info. Digital key capability standard on Limited, Trail Hunter, and TRD Pro, and available on select other models, allows a compatible smartphone to handle access and start functions, adding convenience when the journey moves fast. Requires an active Remote Connect trial or subscription. 1-year trial included on eligible models. On TRD Pro, ISO-dynamic performance front seats are designed to help absorb movement and keep front occupants steady on uneven terrain. Whether it's the morning commute or a weekend escape, Tacoma keeps drivers connected. Toyota Audio Multimedia comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen or available 14-inch display. The Toyota Audio Multimedia platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. Plus, there's a standard 3-month Sirius XM trial that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the Sirius XM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. For premium sound, an available 10-speaker JBL premium audio system delivers immersive clarity and even includes a portable JBL Flex Bluetooth speaker mounted on the dash for music that goes wherever the day leads. Additionally, select grades include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. From tight parking lots to steep inclines, Toyota's driver assistance tech helps give drivers added confidence. Every model comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, Toyota's suite of active safety and convenience technologies, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Available upgrades include blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and a panoramic view monitor. For off-road models, an available multi-terrain monitor is designed to show what's around the vehicle on the trail for added off-road awareness. Trailering confidence comes from the available Trailer Backup Guide, designed to assist with precision when maneuvering. Strong, capable, and ready to explore. The 2026 Tacoma is the midsize truck built for everyday adventures and far-off destinations. Every new Tacoma includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, of scheduled maintenance, and 2 years of unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. The iForce Max hybrid models also include a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile battery warranty, whichever comes first. Discover more at Toyota.com.